bad boys coming from this area, okay? All right. So we're lining up. Perfect. Watch out, because this one's got long legs, okay? Anthony, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
Good. Sequoia, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
Arson, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
Ian, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Sam, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
Grisha, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
John, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
Tommy, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
Luke, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
And Fresh, right here, yes, ma'am? Very good.
Attention.
Max, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
Make sure you stand where you can see yourself. Okay, so right here or on the other side? Jenna, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
Brock, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
Jewish, over here, yes, ma'am?
Ma'am.
Attention. Good. And Audrey, over here, yes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Attention.
Very good. Okay, so now here we are at the beginning of the ceremony. I want you guys to be thinking of one thing that your child has improved on since joining martial arts, and then after, when they come in to receive their belts, then I will ask you what they have improved on. Just one word is fine, okay? So think about that during this time. Okay, ready? Raise your right hand. Ready? I promise.
I promise.
I promise.
To be a good person.
Be a good person.
To treasure my martial arts.
Treasure my martial arts.
To be respectful and courteous.
Be respectful and courteous.
To make good friends.
And to make good friends.
Good job. Okay, go ahead and put your feet apart. Put your cards in your hands. I'm going to come around like you're supposed to, but like,
On.
thank you. Okay, jump front kick. Remember to move forward with your jump front kicks, okay? All of you should be moving forward at the same time. Carson, stand right in front. Good, move up just a little bit.